Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Today we have a taper bush which is 30 diameter by 20 long. So this program that we have here is a complete program for this bush. This is our front stop. This is our WNMG 0.8 radius for roughing. And this is our TNMG 0.4. This is for the finish. And there we have a 3mm pattern plate. So this is 30 by 28 by 20 long. So our taper is running from 28 to 30 diameter, and we are machining from 30 diameter raw material. So our raw material is 30 diameter. So our taper is from 28 to 30. So this is our front stop. Now we're gonna start with our program number. Our program number is 4003 N1. This is our front stop. GO T0101 is I said GO is for the rapid feed. So we're gonna move our turret. We say this, our turret is here. We're going GO X0 Z0.5, so we're gonna be set 0.5 away from the front stop, and we're going to pull our material in this M31, M11, MO, M32. All of this is this is M codes that we're going to use for the front stop. I did explain on our video, on our first video on this channel. So if you go and check on the first video, you understand the meaning of codes. So now we're going to OX80, Z80, M9. So this is for the to stop the coolant. M1 for the optional stop. So now this is what I said, GOX0 Z0.5. We go here. Now this code is going to unclaim the chuck, and then we pull our material against the stopper, and our stopper is going to go GOX80 Z80 away. Now we're going to select number 2. So now we're going on N2, WNMG N2, which is to number 2. So we have WNMG2. This is going to be for the roughing in 0.8 radius. So we use 0.8 radius because 0.8 it is stronger. And then we have G97. G97 is for the constant speed. S1000 T0202 M3. Speed 1000 T number 2, offset number 2. M3 is for the clockwise direction, so it means our spindle is going to rotate on clockwise direction. So now we go GOX32 Z0.1 M8. So this GO go for the rapid feed. So this is coming from X8 Z8 away from the component, from the job, and it's going GOX32 Z0.1. So we're gonna leave Z0.1 for the finishing because this is a roughing 2. We go GOX32 G1X minus 1.5. Our Z0 is there, so we'll go G1X minus 1.5, feed 0.25. M8 is for the coolant on. So now remember, this was Z0.5, so we first 0.4 with these two. Now we leave Z0.1. Now we come G1 X minus 1.5. So I repeat it again on the sender. Now we go GOX 28.2 Z1. So we're gonna leave 0.2 again for the finishing. GOX 28.2 Z1. Now G1, we use G1. This is a code for the machining G1. So this one is going to be G1 X32 Z minus 20. So on the same block, we're going to machine G1 from that 28.2 here. We machine on the same block X30 Z minus 20. So now we leave 0.2 for the finish. You see, and I think you understand here. If we want to run a taper, we run on the same block. We are going on the same block X30.2 Z minus 20. So now we are going on GOX80 Z80 M1. So now this is on to number 2, X80 Z80 away from the job. N3, this is a TNMG 0.4 radius. This one we use it for the finishing. TNMG we use 0.4 radius because this 0.4 will give us better finish and smooth finish. So now G97 speed 1000 to number 3, offset number 3, M3, this is clockwise direction for the spindle, and we'll go GOX29 0.M8. So now this R2 is here 29 above from 20. Remember this is 28.2. So we're on 29 G1X minus 1.5, which is this. Now we come GOX28 is at 1 millimeter away because we don't want to rub on our job. Now G1 is at 0.2, which is here. G1 is at 0.2. We touch on the angle. Now we're going to start our angle. G1X 30 point, Z minus 20 point, feet 0.15. So this one we run a taper. We run from X28 to X30. G1 Z minus 20 feet 0.15. GO X80 Z80 M9. M9 is to stop our coolant. M1, this is for optional stop. So now we are done with our TNMG2. So it means we have a taper now. It is very important to see when we run a taper. So this X30 and Z minus 20, it is running on the same block. So from X28 we are machining taper. So we're done with this TNMG. Now we're going for the 3mm parting blade. So now we are on 3mm parting blade. G50, speed 800, G96, speed 35, T04M3, T02 number 4, offset number 4, M3 for clockwise direction, G50 and G96, it works together. So it means our speed will start from here, G90 is S35, and as the diameter goes smaller, then the speed will pick up to 800. And I did explain everything about all the codes on the first video, the meaning of codes and the meaning of G codes and the meaning of M codes is on the first video. So if you go and check from my first video, you will understand meaning of the codes. GOX 32 Z minus 23. So it means from here, this is our Z0 here. So we're gonna jump with the 3mm. Also, I write 3mm parting blade here. We're gonna jump 20 plus 3 equals to 23, because this is our 3mm parting blade here. We have a 3mm parting blade, which is this 3mm. So when we touch the Z0, the parting will be here. So if you come and part it off, obviously this corner is gonna part this 3 millimeters smaller, and we're going to get 17. So 20 plus 3 was this 3. We want this corner to cut here, to cut off here. So that's why we're going to Z minus 23. M8 is for the coolant. We go G1, X0, fit 0.05, and our component will go to 4. GOX32. Now from X0 go X32 up, because we don't want to go straight GOX8 Z8, because this will run in the job, because it is in the same block. X and Z it is in the same block, so we want to go X first. X32, X GOX8, Z8, M5. This is to stop the spindle. M30. This is the end of the program. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.